பார்க்குற தெரு வந்துக்கிட்டு Fremont ஸ்ட்ரீட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இடம். இது தெரு ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு கூத்தும் கும்மாளமாக தான் இருக்கும். நீங்கள் அதை தான் இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறீங்க. ஏதோ முடிஞ்ச அளவு நான் காமிக்கிறேன் தெருவுகளில் என்ன ஓடுது என்ன நடக்குதுங்கிறத. இதுதான் இந்த தெரு தெரியுதா? அதான் let's go. This side. Okay, go there and coming until last. தெருவை பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். பாருங்க வேற உலகம் மாதிரி இருக்கு. போங்க இங்கே பாருங்க. City Festival.
Una canción raza para que sepan, aquí en Estados Unidos tienen que llegar con mínimo con un billete de $10, raza. Y están en Las Vegas, no están en cualquier esquina, de la neta. Solo piensa en eso, raza. Dice... Raza, póngase a bailar.
Only small street, that one. I'm 2 minute, 3 minute walk.
Okay, thanks.
I want to see a magic show, but
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet mentally. I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off.
You focus on the car. So the car. Okay, again. Jaws right there. That's yours?
But this gets better. This gets better. This time, can you put your hand right here? Your hand on the top. Okay, you guys watch. Right there, under your hands, I'm gonna put one of my favorite cards. This is the number 3 space, alright? Number 3 space goes there. Raise your hands a little bit. And you say, yeah, put your hand on the top. And you say stop, whatever you want. You say stop. Stop. Right there. Oh, no. Because here is the number 3. What do you have? Open it. Yes, is that crazy? Okay, now here we go. This is an empty box. Can you make sure? Yes, yes, with the camera. Is this an empty box? Okay, make sure. Yeah. Okay, then. Yeah, no magic rabbits inside. No. Okay. Number 2, right there. I'm gonna take your card. Don't miss this. I'm gonna lose your card inside into the deck and into the box. Just right there. So now, what is your name? Can you put your hand like this? Please, just grab the box. Grab it. Good. And just hold it. Here we go. Are you ready, guys? Watch this. Anything on the top, anything around. And now, focus on the card. Focus on the signature. And then, relax your mind. Relax your arm. Feel the magic around your arm like a fireball. And then relax your hand. Wow! There is now 1 card. No way. This is now the 2 of clubs. Is that crazy? Make some noise! You guys, where are you from, guys? I'm gonna sign this for you. Alright.